Kakapanood ko kay Tito Mikey to eh. Anyways, Tito Mikey, baka naman, unang-una sa lahat, syempre, Happy Father's Day sa lahat ng mga dads dyan. For today, I won't be your coach. Today, I'm your Papa JP, of course. Kilala nyo naman ako, and syempre, iba dyan. Kilala ako as Papa JP, di ba? So, akala mo sikat. Okay, shoutout muna tayo kay Tito Mikey. Kala mo ba, ikaw lang yung nag-run and kumakain ng saging? Anyways, and kay Alden and kay Kuya Drew. Hello. Happy Father's Day, Kuya Drew. I wanna talk about things ngayong Sunday vlogcast ko. Unang-una sa lahat, syempre, Happy Father's Day sa lahat ng mga dads dyan. Being a dad, o basta dad ka, papa ka, or magiging daddy ka pa lang, Happy Father's Day, and I wanna salute you, and I wanna commend and appreciate you guys. And also yung mga dads ng students ko, thank you for all the sacrifices and for the provision and support sa kanila. And thank you very much. Alam nyo kung sino kayo. Happy Father's Day. Dad's Power ngayong Sunday. Kakapanood ko kay Tito Mikey to eh. Anyways, Tito Mikey, baka naman, well, alam nyo, bago tayo magtuloy-tuloy, I'm really working out right now kasi baka makasabay ko si Tito Mikey. No, palakas kasi sa palakas, naiinis ako eh. No? Well, anyways, shout out sa Tito Mikey. Guys, please appreciate your dads. And if you're a son, a daughter, go give them a hug. Just, you know, thank them. Just thank them and commend them for all the sacrifice. Appreciate them. And kung wala naman sila sa tabi nyo ngayon, wherever they are doing their work for you guys, a family, message them, please, guys. My prayer for all the dads out there, that may God continue to give you strength and peace and provision and power, protection as you do your work, your duty, your responsibilities as a father, as a dad. Okay, sorry kung medyo naano yung aking mic, baka gumagaralgal, no? Pero ayoko nang ikat to kasi nakapang ilang take ko na to. Okay, that's my prayer for you, and I hope that God will give you the desires of your heart. Ayan, nagiging emotional pagka ganyan, no? Mababa ko sa luha ko, guys, no? Kala nyo ba? Yes, we want to stay strong for our family, fathers, dads. Be a man and protect your family, love them as Christ have loved you. May your sacrifices be filled with God's protection and guidance, guys. I'm not trying to preach here. Another thing, gusto kong sabihin dito, if you're a dad, if you're a father, if we really want the best for our family, our kids, and syempre those people who look up to us, guys, we need to be strong, we need to be healthy. Please take care of your body. At least exercise, eat right, eat healthy. June is Men's Mental Health Awareness, guys. Being a man doesn't really, the true essence of being a man is not really, you show your strength, you show how brave you are. And it's not to the point that, kasi ang lalaki, di ba, we don't want to see our families, we don't want them to see us like yung malungkot, gano'n, or yung umiiyak, o yung nahihirapan. Most of the men are like that. They just want to stand tall and yung matikas, yung akong bahala, things like that. But guys, Men's Mental Health ngayon June, if you're going through something, whatever it is, it's spiritual, financial, mental, emotional, relationships, those things, seek advice, talk to someone, talk to your closest friends that you really trust, that you know they will give sound and wisdom advice, hindi yung kung ano-ano lang. They will encourage you. Meron kayong friends, leaders. We need someone that we can tell them that we're feeling weak right now, we're struggling with this, ganyan. And alam nyo guys, ito guys, it's okay to cry. I cry like twice a month. Totoo yan ilabas mo yung nararamdaman mo, no? Pag minsan nalulungkot ka, ganyan, nahihirapan ka. We need to be healthy, of course, physically, but as well, we need to be strong and healthy emotionally, mentally, and of course, spiritually. Hindi ka na mapatagalin to, no? Kung nag-stay ka, ito na, last part na to. My last message for us, men. Let's continue to lead our family and be an example to sa mga anak natin. O kung wala ka pang anak, be an example to your community or which group you belong, o yung mga taong tumitingala sa'yo, o yung circle mo, yung friends mo. Lead them and influence them in a way that will impact their lives to a better way of living. Act like a man, being responsible, being committed, and intentional, being purposeful in life, and teach others in a way that they will be a better person. No? Para pag time will come, some of your friends, some of your colleagues, maghihiwalay kayo niyan for at some point of your life, they will always remember your influence, your leadership, and then build a relationship para pag nagkita ulit kayo, it's, relationship will really bring you together kahit magkakalayo man kayo. I hope may natutunan kayo sa vlogcast ko na to. Again, I am not your coach ngayon. I am Papa JP. And kasi pag sinearch nyo itong vlogcast ko, yung podcast ko na to sa Spotify, type in Papa JP. I have old podcasts there, but I want to really do this again. At least makagawa ako ng episodes weekly. Yun lang guys, and stay blessed. God bless you. Again, I pray, I speak blessings sa lahat ng family dito. Hindi lang sa dads, of course. I speak provision, protection, wisdom. If you think nasa dulo ka na ng kumbaga ng hopes mo, let me tell you this. We can't really reach the thoughts of God. Pray and have faith. God is here. God is hearing you. God is hearing us. You will see. You have to believe so you can see, guys. God bless, stay blessed, and see you in the next one.